Hi guys, so this is my latest DT project for my porch prints, and the papers that I've used are the Shabby Chic Pink Christmas papers, the journaling kit, and I'll pop all the links down below for Stephanie's shop on Etsy. She has some absolutely amazing papers on there, and this is just beautiful. So what I've done, I've made a journal, but it's sort of like a photo album, and this is for my granddaughter Olivia. So this is for her first Christmas, which is going to be this year. She's 9 months old, so bless her. So I've made her a Christmas photo album, so her mummy can put all her little first Christmas pictures in there. So here we go. So I've made it out of fabric. So we've got a fabric cover and one of the papers on the front, and I popped some lovely pink velvet ribbon around it. So on the inside I've actually done the closure as some seam binding and sewed it into the cover of there. So I've got a little pocket on the front, and this is one of the envelopes that you get, so I'm going to pop a little letter in there for her. So that goes in there. I've just popped some little dingly danglies, some little Christmas dingly danglies on there. I haven't actually stuffed it with lots of stuff because I would like it her to pop pictures in there on here to stick them in, and lots of writing. So I've used some of the papers as well as so she can do some writing on there, and all the little bits and pieces that she's received for Christmas, and pop a nice picture. So there's lots of pockets on here and lots of little journaling space and lots of little dingly danglies. These I've popped on here. I've sort of just made a layer so you can pop a photo on there, and I've made a pocket underneath, and it's got some little Christmas tags in there so she can do some journaling on there. And here's a little pocket, so you can pop something in there. It's just like a little money envelope, which is all Christmassy, and I've just made a little belly band on there. And the pictures are absolutely gorgeous. I've got some little tabs on there as well. Here I've got another pocket on here. I've got some nice lace, some more journaling space, so you can pop a picture on here. Here, little pockets. The tags are lovely. So look at these, they're absolutely gorgeous. Lots and lots of space to stick pictures and write and journaling. And look at these lovely papers. I thought they would make lovely little just writing papers, quite similar to what I did with the other kit that she had, and I think they just add themselves perfectly. So here you can pop a little picture on there, and you can do lots of writing on there. You've got a little snowflake dangly there. Lots of pockets and journaling space. The pictures are lovely. So I popped two little photo mats on there, so she can pop some little photos. You can do a little bit of journaling in between. And here, a little pocket with 3 little tags in. Just pop it in there. And this one is I put Christmas 2019. I thought she could have a nice little family picture on there. Of them all for their first family Christmas, so I thought that would be lovely. And I've just popped some lace around this bit, so I've just put a mat on there, some lace and a little bow to pop a little picture in. And here is another little side pocket with a little letter to write on. You pop in there, and these are just perfect to put pictures on. I've just added some lace down the side, lots of tags. I actually printed the tags out twice and popped them in there, and then I printed out some more of the paper. I've just made some little pockets, and then you've got these lovely little tabs on there as well, and little dingly danglies. There's a little stocking. So this is a nice bit where you can do some writing. I haven't put anything in the middle, so I'm not sure what you can put in there. So you can put some photographs on there, but I thought this paper looked so lovely that she could just mat some photographs of Olivia on there. And I've just popped some little dingly dangly like some little metal embellishments on there, and they've got some seam binding down the side, and then lots of room, lots of journaling room in here, so she can write down all the presents that she received on her first Christmas, and all her first Christmas dinners, and all sorts of bits and pieces on there, which I really wish I'd done for my children now, which would have been nice. And then you can pop a nice little picture on there. There's another little money envelope here, which you can pop some little bits and pieces in there. You could probably actually put the little gift tags, her first gift tags of her presents as well. So this is a little pocket there, and I've popped a little pocket there with a little tag in, and that's got a little snowflake dangly there. And I've put Olivia on there so she can have a nice picture of her in a nice little Christmassy outfit. A couple more pockets and some tags, little double pocket there. So if she has some spare photos, you could actually just pop them in the pockets as well, which I think are really nice. Lots of journaling space in here. I didn't want to overdo it because I wanted it more like a photo album, a Christmassy one. So look, pop 3 little photos on there. There's another one there, little dingly danglies and some seam binding bow, and a double pocket again. So we've got another dingly dangly of Santa there. So we've got some tags in there. So there's lots and lots of room, and there's a nice little tab on there. We've got 2 more little writing pages here. One with Santa on, and one with a lovely Santa in his car. Looks really nice. Stephanie does do some lovely papers. Absolutely love them. And here, so we can see all the lace that I've popped onto the edges. So it's sort of shabby vintage, I would call this. So you can pop a nice picture on there. This is nice to put all nice family photos in. Another writing page, little pocket. Look at this lovely snowflake, pink snowflake paper. And here, and then we've got a little side pocket there. And then in the back we've got another envelope, so my daughter can write something in there and pop it in the envelope for her first Christmas from her mummy and daddy. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I loved making it because it's very special to me for her first Christmas, and I really hope that she likes it. And it's just done up with a nice little bit of seam binding there. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. I'll pop all the links down below for Stephanie's shop on Etsy, so please pop over and have a look. Alright, thanks guys, have a lovely Christmas, bye bye.